You think it's over, you think life broke you, and there's no way back. But listen, this is not the end. This is the moment when the real you is about to be born. When everything collapses, your plans, your money, your confidence, something inside you wakes up. Something raw, something ancient. It's the part of you that remembers who you are before fear took over. You see, life will break you on purpose. It will take away your comfort, your certainty, your illusions, not to destroy you, but to strip away everything that isn't real. The truth is this: growth doesn't happen in the light, it happens in the dark, when you have no one to lean on but yourself. When the world goes silent and your thoughts get loud, that's when transformation begins. So what do you do when everything falls apart? You rebuild, one piece at a time. First, stop asking, why me? And start asking, what now? That's the moment power returns to you. Second, forgive yourself for what you couldn't control. Guilt keeps you chained to the past. Forgiveness sets you free. Third, take one small action today, even if it's just getting up, cleaning your space, or writing one goal down. Small steps rebuild broken empires. Remember, pain is not your enemy. It's your teacher. Every scar you carry is proof that you survived what was meant to break you, and that means you are unbreakable. Don't rush healing. Don't fake strength. Just keep moving, even slowly. Because the moment you choose to move, the universe moves with you. You are not done. You are being rebuilt. You are not lost. You are being redirected. So rise, even if your legs shake, even if your voice trembles, rise, because your story isn't finished yet. And when the world finally sees you again, they won't recognize as the person who once thought they'd never make it. Remember this: the storm you're in isn't here to drown you, it's here to clean you. And when the sky clears, you'll realize you were never broken. You were becoming.